guys, it's Jill here, and today I'm gonna show you how to make flour at home. It's very, very simple. I have a Wonder Mill here, and I have it set on the bread setting, and all you do is attach this base that the flour is gonna go into. You attach it to the mill, just stick that in there, and remove the lid. And here I have 2 cups of soft wheat berries. This is a berry I really like to mill because it makes good bread and muffins and cookies. It's really good for muffins and cookies and things like that. So this is a flour that we really like. And you might say, well, why would you want to make your own flour? Why not just buy it? Well, for one thing, it is cheaper to make your own. I buy a big bag on Amazon in bulk, and it makes a lot of flour. So it's cheaper, but it's also healthier. Whenever you freshly mill your wheat berries, it makes fresh nutrition, and it's good. You don't have to use your flour. You can store your flour up. You don't have to use it right away. But if you use the flour you milled within 24 hours, then you're getting the fresh nutrition. So I have my daughter here with me, and what we're gonna do is turn this on, and then she's gonna pour this into the mill. And I'll show you how simple it is. It's just flour in seconds. So as the sound dies down, you can tell whenever the berries have gone all the way through because you can't hear that crackling, popping noise anymore. And towards the end, I always cover it with the lid. I don't snap the lid on, but I just kind of do that because the berries, as it gets down to the very last berry, they'll start popping, and it can hit you in the face. You know, not anything real big, but I always do that. And so then you just remove this. And I'm gonna pour it into this bowl so you can see. There we have finely coarse milled flour to use, and that's how simple it is. Just takes a few minutes, and you save lots of money, and you have fresh nutrition. For more information, be sure to check the description for links, and we will see you guys next time.